How to do lens correction in Photoshop. There are two ways to correct lens correction in Photoshop. First, we have the lens correction filter. Access the lens correction filter by navigating to Filter. Then choose Lens Correction. This will open the Lens Correction dialog box. In the Lens Correction dialog box, Photoshop may automatically detect the lens used and apply corrections. If not, you can manually select your camera make and model from the Auto Correction tab. Switch to the Custom tab for more control. Here, you can manually remove distortion and chromatic aberration. You can also adjust vignette to correct any darkening or lightening at the edges of the image. Use the Preview checkbox to see the before and after effects. Once satisfied, click OK to apply the corrections. Another way to adjust lens correction is to use the manual method. With your image open, create a duplicate layer by right-clicking the background layer and selecting Duplicate Layer. Then, go to Edit, Transform, then Warp. Use the Warp grid to manually adjust and correct any distortion in the image. This method is more hands-on and allows for precise control.